Hi, it's Kim, and I'm here with a very special guest. Drum roll, please. It's my daughter, Anna.
Hello.
So, Anna, last year was your first year at camp. Tell me about it.
So it was really fun, actually. I was kind of scared to go at first, obviously, like basically everyone.
And then by the end,
I was sad to go. I cried.
she's been talking about it all year. It was the best week of her summer, and she had so much fun. And this year, she is a rising 5th grader, and that means she gets to stay in the Raccoon Ridge unit, which is our platform tent unit at Camp Bette Perot. Raccoon Ridge is a rite of passage for rising 5th graders. And Anna, tell us why you're excited to stay in Raccoon Ridge.
I'm excited to stay in Raccoon Ridge because at a troop camp out to Bette Perot, my friends who are just a year above me in Girl Scouts, they did Raccoon Ridge and they were so scared because there were bugs.
Are you worried about the bugs?
No.
Do you think you can handle it?
No.
Are you ready to try?
Yes.
Good. She's excited for the challenge, and I hope that your 5th grader will join us on this adventure and take a look at Raccoon Ridge. Platform tents, but there's twinkle lights, and there's nets to cover you for bugs. There's
And
little
it's-
cubbies. Yeah.
It's right next to the ropes course.
Oh, yes.
So you don't have to walk to the ropes course.
Yes, it is right next to the ropes course. It's going to be a great summer. What else do you want to say to people about Girl Scout camp?
You will be scared at first, and then, one day in, you'll love your counselors. They're all so great.
They're all so great. They're there to make sure you have a good time, to make sure you feel included and happy. And it was a great summer. She's ready to go again. Thank you for joining me, Anna.
You're welcome.